We're going to begin.
tugiye gutangira hanze n'umuterapiste n'umuganga bijyanye n'uburwayi bwo mu mutwe
Ordinary standard practice.
rero ntabwo biriya bintu aba yemerewe kubikora agomba kuguma yishishije umukecuru afite imbaraga niba ari izajya ipfumu niba ari iziki zo kuba yakwinjira mu bwonko akabona ibintu byakubayeho cyangwa akaba yabona ikibazo ufite ikintu kiri kuguhiga imbaraga ziri mashike nyine.
Have you ever tried it?
wese wigeze ubikeranye?
Is it passed down?
nyine biriya bintu utabizi n'ibintu bagenda baherera
Been training, but nothing yet.
oya naritoje ariko nta kintu nigeze
Have the ability though.
kandi ikibabaje ababyeyi banjye bari bafite izo mbaraga
Stir it together.
barasiganye baranazimenyera
They found each other, actually.
nako ni nako baho
Your dad did it too?
na papa wawe niko yari ameze kiraho ebe wakumaza
Okay, take as much. What happened?
nakubaza ibyabaye umwana afite ibikovu byinshi ku maboko shaho.
We have a procedure. I
hano
can't
tuba dufite amategeko tugenderaho
let you speak to her with
sinavugana nawe ntaragucisha muri konsiritasiyo
assessment.
tugomba kubanza kuvugana nkagusuzuma sawa 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 ebe hakuno yafata ka shenda
What's your name? Riley Harris.
bakwita de gakarine banyita Riley Harris.
How old are you?
imyaka ingahe?
14.
14 kandi gato.
And how did you find out about Cynthia?
ibya Cynthia wabimenye ute? Cynthia rero uje kumenya
A woman named Agatha told my dad that
umugore witwa Agatha yabibwiye papa wanjye
she could help someone like me.
aravuga ngo niwe wafasha umuntu umeze nkanjye.
What do you mean? Someone like you?
ushatse kuvuga iki ngo umuntu umeze nkawe wa mwana wumve hari ikintu ujya mbona
What kind of things?
ibintu bimeze bite jya mbona ikintu gatinga
Can you describe it to me?
wabwira ukuntu kiba kimeze wa mwana
Dark,
kijimye
like a person, but
kijimye kimeze nk'umuntu ariko
not.
ntabwo ari umuntu
There's a
kirandeba
like a starving dog.
like a starving dog nk'imbwa ishonje ishaka kurya niko kiba kindeba
Does it speak to you?
kijya kikuvugisha right
Yes.
yego
It always says the same thing.
kandi buri gihe kivuga ijambo rimwe buri gihe kivuga ijambo rimwe niba ari iki
Is it here right now?
kiri hano nonaha yego sasa mwabantu kugira ngo mfate kuzagira buriya si kujya kubona umuntu ufite uburwayi bwo mu mutwe hari igihe aba abona ibintu ubona byanyabyo kandi n'ibintu bibaho ukabona umuntu ari kwirukanka cyangwa kwishimagura ari gutoragura amabuye atera ubona nta kintu ari gutera byanze bikunze waba ufite ikintu ari kubona wakira urugero rutokira hakuno ugafite ikintu aba abona kijimye kimeze nk'umuntu kiba kimureba nk'imbwa ishonje ishaka kutanga yamubwiye ibyacu
Maybe? Would she
Agatapeka.
do that? I don't know.
yabikorana agatapeka yakuvamo mama
Mom,
mama umugore we yumiwe
a little distant throughout this whole thing. I mean, what's going on?
mama ni ibiki uri kunyuramo biri gutuma wayobya utari
Call the police or no?
duhamagare polisi oya
They don't need the police involved.
ntabwo
What?
bashaka ko ibi bintu byajyamo polisi
And something's happening to that girl.
uriya mwana wabona hari ikintu kiri kumwe
There's nothing we can do for her.
uriya mwana nta kintu twamufasha
Please.
na polisi kandi nta kintu yamufasha
There are some things that are just beyond help.
hari ibintu biba byararenze ubufasha there are something just beyond the help
Can you be straight with me for a second? I mean, what
Listen, Mama.
even happened back there?
ubundi cyagiye byagenze gute wambwije ukuri
I saw something.
hari ikintu nabonye
What? What do you mean?
kuki ushatse kuvuga iki mama
There is something attached to that girl.
hari ikintu kiziritse kuri uriya mwana
Horrible.
ikintu giteye ubwoba
Okay?
okay akana k'uyu mugore
Actually saw it, then doesn't that mean we can help you?
mbese niba akibonye ubwo si
Can
twamufasha mama
why you do screenings before I meet with any clients, right? Yeah, Mama.
ese uzi impamvu ukora se babyita consultation mbere yuko mbonana na buri murwayi wese nkakubwira ngo banze ujye kumusuzuma
I know.
kintu mama ndayizi
To
Ukubera iki?
decide their psychological needs.
tubanze tumenye icyo akeneye mu mutwe wenyine
Have a willing interest in alternative therapy. We
tumenye
decide
niba akeneye therapy cyangwa iki kintu
we're going to do mind hypnosis or therapy.
tumenye niba twamukorera brain hypnosis cyangwa se therapy
Help them to protect
kugira ngo tubarinde
us.
natwe twirinde wa mwana we
Mom, if you actually saw something,
Mama, niba hari ikintu wabonye
only person who can help that girl.
nawe wafasha uriya mwana we
It's up to whatever it is that's
we
attached
kiriya kintu icyo ari cyo cyose ntabwo najya kukivanaho kiri
to that girl.
ngo njye
Lord,
kukimukura
on her, on my side. She needs us, Mom.
mama wakibonye uriya mwana
Don't
aradukeneye
care.
ntabwo byitayeho Hey,
What else? Okay, well, that is
papi yaba ahari yari kumufasha
why your dad is not here anymore.
niyo mpamvu atuma
Look inside people. You barely do it to any of the
mama
patients.
umaze gucika intege umaze kugira ubwoba kureba mu mitwe y'abantu
You won't even do it to me. I didn't
ubundi
need
ngiye kuki utabinywera
to look inside that girl today to see what was attached to her. That
ntabwo impamvu nanze kureba mu mutwe w'uriya mwana ariko natinyaga guhura
makes
n'ikiyamwiziritse
it yeah, which is more
ahubwo
reason
nibyo bibi
to help her. No, it is more
mama ariko twamufasha
reason not to.
hari impamvu nyinshi kandi zifatika zo gutuma tutafasha uriya mwana
Say that I tried. Then what?
ariko ubundi banza uvuge ko ngerageje
Tell
kumufasha
mother that his daughter has an entity attached
ubwire se ko umwana we afite umuzimu wamwiziritseho
To her?
ujye kubwira uriya musaza ko umwana afite
he
umuzimu
can turn on us like everyone did in Elmsboro.
uribuka ibyatubaye muri Elmsboro batwiduke nk'uko abantu baho bose batwihindutse twari dutwiye.
We don't know these people.
Aba bantu ntabwo tubazi mwana wanje.
Hey, we can't trust them.
Rero ntitwabizera uranyu.
If you remember how horrible it got.
Sinzi nimba wibuka ukuntu byari biteye ubwoba.
I swore I would never let that happen again.
Ariko mwana wanje twarimutse kandi ndakurahirira ko ibintu nkabiriya ntazigera nongera gutuma biba. Kareka.
Science. No.
Yizera siyansi. Ntabwo yizerera umwuka.
One day when you can see, I hope you have the sense to know when to help
kandi wenda nawe igihe kimwe uzatangira kujubona mu mitwe y'abantu kubasoma mu mutwe
and when to protect
zakwigisha ibintu byari biba ari ngombwa ko wafasha ndetse n'igihe biba
nothing but time.
ntakwagira.
Ese nawe ujya wibaza ahantu wabona umutekinisiye w'inzobere mu gusiga irangi sitiko ndetse na urumasta aho ni ahandi ni muri Smartness Empire. Smartness Empire ihari ku bwanyu kandi iteguye kubaha ibyiza.
May your work be easy, be enjoyable, be satisfying. May the work of your hands be blessed and may you enjoy the fruit of your labor. May everything that you touch turn into gold and may you see your dreams becoming a reality.
You know, this is what I do for a living and I'm proud of what I'm doing. It's better than going outside to steal or to live a rascal life. If you are proud of what you are doing or if you are proud of your work, just post it.
Your mother was coming too. No.
She's
just having a solo day at home.
Oh, yeah.
Of course. Are you still looking to follow in her footsteps?
Sometimes. Yeah.
Big shoes to fill. Talented woman. You have a couple questions or? Okay, I just wanted to ask you. Had somebody show up at the house yesterday? I've seen. To be honest, I'm hoping you can help me make sense of it. A scene? Sounds spicy. Sure how I could help it, but please ask away. Name Riley Harris mean anything to you? No, I don't think so. Your father? Mentioned she heard you speaking to him, suggesting my mother might be able to help her. Maybe Randall Harris from Kenilworth. Okay. I've had him restore some of my mother's old furniture. Would work for her. And babe, me about him. Not much. He's polite, you know. Serious most of the time. His house and his garage mostly, you know, making tables or whatever. Newly single. His wife passed away last year.
Okay.
I just know the girl took it pretty hard. I don't think it's my place to say. Agatha, I'm really concerned about her. I might be able to help. I saw some scars on her. Said they were self-inflicted. This card, right? But of course I didn't say what she really does, just that she's great with trauma and that she can help in that totally normal kind of. Could you tell me where his shop is? I have his card somewhere around here. Doug Ferry. He's probably in his 60s now.
Give me a legitimate reason why we suspect this man. I'm not going to stop.
You know I can't explain. But I don't even need to know. Wait, just if you have time, whenever.
I get it. Good at getting hunches, but you never give me a reason. Nothing.
Names out of a newspaper.
You know that's not true. Take it. See if he has
urebe uwo mugabo nimba muri records z'abanyabyaha nta kintu mumubonaho. Wa mugabo yabonye mu ntekerezo za Rari.
Guys got a record. What do you want?
Kubona ari ibyaha bigeze kumukurikira.
What do you do with this, Cynthia?
Ushaka bikoreye iki se Cynthia?
I just know that he is a terrible man.
Giconzi cyo nuko uwo mugabo ashobora kuba ari umugabo. Yabonye mu ntekerezo za wa musore yari yinjiyemo filime itangira nibwo mubyibuka mu uwo mugabo yarasaga nk'ajya hohotera uriya mwana nyamwiza.
Ready to break out of my shell. That's good.
Ni wa mugore nyine uba utegereje kuvuga ngo ibyo nabaga mu kera nabivuye.
Is phoning to see if Jordan ended up speaking with Mr. Harris.
Nashakaga kumenya niba Jordan yavuganye na Mr. Harris.
I'm sorry, Mr. Harris?
It's Mr. Harris.
I'm not sure who you mean. Randall.
Sinzi Mr. Harris uvuze ngo ni.
Randall Harris. She spoke earlier today asking about his...
Umunsi umukobwa wawe Jordan yaje iwanje.
His daughter. I just hope...
Asambaza iby'umwana w'umukobwa ngo wa Randall Harris.
Hoped I was helpful. It's really nice to see her.
Ndakeka nizere ko amakuru namuhaye ari icyo ari bumufashaho.
What daughter? Agatha, what does she say?
Uwe mukobwa uri kuvuga Agatha yavuze ngo iki?
I'm sorry. Maybe have a call. Agatha?
Agatha?
Tell me what she said.
Mbwira ibyo umwana wanje yakubwiye.
She said there was a girl that stopped by your house last night and
yabwiye ngo hari umugore hari umwana waje wanyu umukobwa.
I just wanted to speak with her. I didn't
umwana wawe yiri washaka kumuvugisha yiri wari kumuhiga. Ndakeka je nta kibazo cyari kibiri bari ibyo byabaye ryari gitondo.
What is the address?
Address is what mukaboni.
Remember, but I know what.
Tindi byo turenda kubisoza.
Girl at the house.
Wa mwana se mwamusanze muri iriya.
They did.
Yego. Twamusanze.
Body to Common Grove Hospital.
Bazanye umurambo ye bamujanye mu bitaro baza gukorera isuzuma.
Taken up. I guess some of them knew Father Harris from when her mother was sick. You should know. Forensics is finding remains at the house.
Forensic bari gushaka ibisigazwa muri iriya. Bisa nkaho uriya mugabo amaze igihe kinini akora ibi.
He too escaped.
Jordan rero ni umunyamahirwe kuba yaciye.
Randall, did they found him?
No sign. I bet he's 3 counties.
Randall se wakoraga ibyo bintu yarigeze mu.
Wait by now, but we run his plates.
Ariko twamaze gushyiraho amabariyeri hirya no hino.
Every precinct in the area out searching.
Ndetse buri station ya polisi ahantu hose muri izi quartier twababwiye turaza kumubona ndabizi. Mwe mwitonda. Ebe. Ako. Polisi rero.
This probably isn't the time, but
ndakeka atari cyo gihe
you should know your hunch about the coach, man.
Ariko ndagira ngo nkubwire ko bya bintu wambwiye kuri coach ngo tumukoreye iperereza.
Right.
Menya aravuga
We just dug Ferry in for questioning.
Twamaze kumuzana Dog Ferry turi kumuhata ibibazo.
Much, but
sinavuga byinshi.
Really showed some cause for concern.
Ariko bisa nkaho isuzuma twakoze uriya mugabo twakabe duhangayikishijwe nawe koko. Wawundi yahamagaye umupolisi akamubwira ati kiri kintu mumenya nyine mu mukoreye iperereza uyu mugabo ndabona nta keza ke. Kana hakuno.
How do you get these sores on your arms?
Banza tubwira ibyo ubwo bushye ufite ku maboko wabuvanye he?
He attacked me.
Uriya mugabo yanyatatse Rari. Rando, sorry.
Friction from struggling, I guess.
Yakeka ubwo narindi kumwiyambura nibwo buryo ibiri yacu yakubanya arankomera.
Yeah.
Ibyari nyuma yuko arasa n'imbunda se. Yego.
I punched him in the throat.
Namukubise igipfunsi mu muhogo.
And I escaped.
Ndagije ndaci. Uri kuvuga nago zeruye gwe hari ikindi kintu azi.
We're just trying to make sense
of
this.
Ariko ibi bintu turi kugerageza kubihuza. Ntago bihura pe. Nababwiye byose ariko.
This forensics found remains in the backyard.
Ba forensic bavuze ngo babonye ibisigazwa mu mbuga y'uriya mugabo.
This is one of the most horrific crime scenes we've ever encountered, Jordan.
Jordan, ahantu twasanze uriya mugabo yaratuye. Bahavanye ibimenyetso byinshi ndetse mpamya ko hari ahantu. Niyo sene ya mbere tubonye yabereho ibyaha byinshi kurusha ahandi hose yarishe n'abandi bantu benshi.
Is there anything at all that you're not
mahirwe yacu rero kugira ngo uriya mugabo tuze kumufata?
Telling us
anything.
Haba hari ikindi kintu utari ko kutubwira cyangwa ikindi kintu. Aku. Ko bari bukunige ninjoro murara agahita kurabura tumutsa nyine wa kakana. Kakana kwande.
Client showing the same symptoms.
Ufite umukiriya ufite ibimenyetso nka biri.
You remember her?
Uramwibuka Samantha Harris? Muganga wamuvuraga.
What can you tell me about her?
Basi wambwiye ibyo burwa.
Not much, as it's patient confidentiality.
My client is getting worse, and your person has any experience with this. I know we work in different fields, but I'm asking you doctor to doctor. Running out of time, and I need to help her.
The disease she had was unique, aggressive, humanitarian nurse.
kuriya mugore nawe yahoze ari umuganga
stretches overseas.
yari umuganga ujya gukorera hirya no hino.
Came in with her husband and her daughter.
rimwe aza kuza azanye n'umugore we n'umwana we n'umugabo we.
He was deteriorating so quickly.
uriya mugore yari ari kurimbuka byihuse yari ari kubura.
Her hair fell out.
ibyumweru bibiri gusa imisatsi yatangiye gucomoka.
And her teeth, her nails.
hakurikira amenyo ye nyuma n'inzara zivamo.
It was like she was rotting.
yari ameze nk'umuntu uri kubura. It was like she was rotting.
The outside on the inside too.
ahubwo ni ndani and inside too.
To her organ.
uhereye ku magufwa mukajya ku ngingo zo mu nda, inyama zo mu nda.
Did she say anything to you?
hari ikintu yigeze akubwira?
How it could be?
About 3 weeks
akubwira nk'ikintu yaba arwaye.
in, she could see that I was distraught and
nyine nk'ibyumweru bitatu nyuma yaho sinzi ukuntu nabikubwira.
40 years had I seen anything like it.
mu myaka 40 nari maze kwa muganga sinari narigeze mbona ikintu nk'icyo.
About to lose her and I didn't even know what it was.
umugore yari agiye gupfa agiye kumubura mu barwayi banjye kandi ntazi n'icyo arwaye.
This night,
rero hageze aho haba ijoro rimwe
near the end,
byose bigiye kurangira hafi n'iherezo.
she asked me to come close
yarambwiye ngo nimwegere.
and she whispers.
and she whispers arangije aranyongorera. ijambo kuri ndi gahezamo ikigo bwanje na buri gace kakagira utumiyeri tw'utunyangingo twanjye turi kurupamo tujya kuri uwo mugore kirimo.
Scientific theory I could come up with.
aho ngaho nibwo nabonye ko siyanse zose nta gitekerezo nta n'ubusobanuro nari kubibonera icyo kintu cyari kimbayeho uwo munsi.
Needed me to see that this was beyond anything.
ikintu uriya mugore yashakaga ko mbona yashakaga kunyereka ko ibi byose birenze imiti iyo ari yo yose yo kwa muganga wamuhereza. ntabwo yakaba yavurwa n'imiti yo kwa muganga ngo parasitamoro kw'ikingo koritemu ngo viagara. viagara zivura mu nda. viagara ni ibinini by'umutwe w'akezi. narinzi ko ari byo nyuma ya byose nta kintu namufashije.
Stayed with her for the final days.
umukobwa we baragumanye kugera mu minsi ya nyuma.
She held her hand till she passed.
yamufataga mu kiganza kugera igihe umugore yapfa.
Something was with her.
I hope you
nawe se warabyizeye kuri uyu mugore hari ikintu cyari kimurimo.
understand why I can't answer that, Cynthia.
Cynthia ndakekuza impamvu icyo kibazo ntakigusubiza. kwa muganga ntabwo twizerera mu myuka mibi ariko reka mubwire sibyo. ubwije ukuri nk'umuntu w'umugabo.
Your client is suffering from the same symptoms.
nimba koko umukiriya wawe ari kugaragaza ibimenyetso by'ibyo mubwire.
Better off being helped by someone like you.
icyiza koko ni uko yaza agafashwa nk'umuntu nkawe.
Someone like
aho
me.
kugira ngo aze gufashwa n'umuntu nkanjye. aho kugira ngo afashwe n'umuganga wabyize yiga shimi na biology na physique. yafashwa n'umuganga gakondo. ushema nawe mwana wanjye. akuno. Hey! ibyo byarabaye sibyo. mpamya ko na filime yacu ari